We've got the girl here. She's got a dagger design imprinted on her shirt here. And then we have a boy with a gun imprinted on his shirt. And then to top it off, we actually have a dagger and a gun for them to play with. Way to go, parents. Hello and welcome back to the Playmobil YT channel for another review. We're taking a look at set 4335 from the Playmobil Micro line, released in 2006, featuring a pirate theme. I've known of the existence of this line since 2006, but had never seen them in the wild until today. And boy was I stoked to see them. There are about 6 other themes, but I went with this one, mainly due to the price. Now this one's a pre-owned toy, so I don't know what to expect, but I can tell you that from the looks of the cardboard sheathing here, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looking at the front image, we can see that the box itself folds out into a play scene, or a diorama, that our pieces will magnify to, which is great considering the size of the pieces and the potential to lose them. Spoiler alert, here's a couple of pirates that are smaller than my thumbnail. Using tiny to describe these fellows is an understatement. Now back to the show, because who doesn't enjoy packaging details? Looking at one side, we have a wide-angle picture of our 2 pirate-dressed kids and the base of the playset, with the magnetic pieces giving off a sense of scale. The other side is simply the box indicating where to open the diorama playset. The top displays the suggested age, recommendation, and address of manufacturer. The bottom contains the choking hazard warning in various languages and the barcode covered by the price that I paid, which, $10, is quite the steal in 2021. And then the back display is all of the included pieces photographed separately. Now, as I said, this is a pre-owned item, so we can only hope we're getting everything pictured here. Let's crack this puppy open and check out what we have here. And here we are, moments away from opening our diorama playset. We're opening this for the first time right now, so we'll experience together either my joy or my disappointment, pending what we find in here. Okay, here we go. Looking good, looking good. Looks like we might actually have everything. All the parts are in a bag. But wait, this is actually a Ziploc snack bag. So somebody previously has gotten some playtime in with these toys, but by the looks of it still, we might have everything we're supposed to get, and that's pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look at our little figures, our clickies. We've got the girl here. She's got a dagger design imprinted on her shirt here. And then we have a boy with a gun imprinted on his shirt. And then to top it off, we actually have a dagger and a gun for them to play with. Way to go, parents. Okay, everyone, here is our island with a fort on it. I'm guessing it could be used for the pirates' stronghold, or it could be where we have British soldiers on lookout. And it comes with these 3 little palm trees. The part is magnetized in 3 areas. 2 here near the fort, and then 1 here at the end of the island. And it fits right there, right where it has the darker sand color. And then we have our people. Whoops. Look at that, I'm already losing them. Here's what we could pretend to be a British soldier manning a cannon. We'll put him right there in the fort, ready to protect it from the pirate raiders. And because these guys are in blue, I'm gonna assume that these 2 are also British soldiers, even though this one clearly has a bandana, not a hat. But what good is a story without any conflict? So I can put him all the way over here. And then we have another one. And I'm going to take him off the island. We're going to put him on the beach. Probably can't see him in the video. He's right here behind the trees. Taking a look at our ship here, it's bigger than I thought it was, but that's okay. It accommodates a few of the soldiers here, a few of the figures, I should say, and kind of gives the playing field here a little bit more dimension because it's the tallest thing on here. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know I sure did. This was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy to have this to add to my collection here. We will see you on the next one. Don't know if it'll be from the Micro collection, but that's okay. There's plenty of others to review. And we will see you in the next one. Be sure to follow us on Instagram also. We're playmo.af, which this channel might eventually be changed to that name too, just to match it. But we don't know. It's still kind of early to tell. But either way, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.